Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. My name is Mark. This is Day Cab Company. I'm out here in the upholstery department, and I thought I'd do a quick video. We've had a lot of changes. This is 2022, of course, with COVID and everything. We've got some new machinery, and we've changed how we make our doors. And so one of the problems with doors, let me see if I make this camera work. One of the problems with doors is the water runs down the seal, and so they get damaged really easy. And I grabbed this. This is an old door that I had in inventory, and this is actually really in great shape. This is a customer that I'm working with, and this truck was actually, look at it. I mean, besides that it's dusty, it's really in great shape. But you can see how the water just starts to destroy it. We use this same board today. Okay, this is a water resistant board, but it doesn't work well in the door application where water is going to run down between the seal and the glass. But this is still a board we use in the headliners and the corners. And so let's show you what we're doing for the doors to replace that. We've replaced the doors with upholstery board with a fiberglass board. And it's a high composite. It's material that's 100% waterproof. And let's see if I can get in there and see it. And so we still CNC router it. And then you can see right there. Let's see if I can see it. It's the same thickness. Waterproof board, never will warp. You'll never have any problems with it. Oh, camera, come back. So this is a VIT. I'm doing a lot of Peterbilts with the VIT or the button tuck. And so I wanted to do this video. I was out here the other day, and everything on this wall behind me was all color, really bright kits. We were doing a lot of custom kits. And I thought, man, I need to do a video. Well, of course, they shipped all that stuff out. But I'll show you on the rack over here some of the stuff we've been doing. Now, of course, we do factory upholstery, but we also do custom stuff on the factory templates, okay? And the sales guys can work with you on that. So we do the button tucks. Then we do really simple kits where customers are just working with dump trucks. They want it all smooth, but they want all new upholstery. In this application, what I was talking about the other day, every kit, I saw every kit out there, we had maybe 10 of them, and every one was custom. So we had white with orange buttons, and we had white with yellow. It was great to see all the different customers doing different things. And too bad I couldn't show it to you. Here's a let's see if I get that to go down. Here's a baby blue. That's a cool material. I saw one in that. Here's a yellow at the bottom. I brought that in a while back. That's pretty awesome. Here's more of an orange red. Take a look at that. That's a really pretty color. That's a really soft. And then we were doing something with green. And this is like a leather material. I don't know if I can make that close, but this is really pretty leather material. So, like I said, we've got, I don't know, hundreds and hundreds of different colors of materials. And then we do, like I said, we do custom stuff when we can, when it makes sense to do it. So let's look at this machine for a minute. So anything that is VIT, there's a lot of labor into it. And so one of the things you have to do is you have to deal with hundreds of little holes. So this little, man, this thing's fast. Let's see if I can catch it. This thing is cutting little holes. I don't think I'm going to be able to zoom in. Let me see if I can zoom in and change it. What it's doing is it's cutting the little holes. It's got a little spinner on it. And then it also has a knife. And this can do, I think this thing's 30 feet long. So we'll cut huge quantities of vinyl, and this will also custom cut the kits. So here in a few minutes, it's going to run a program, and it's going to cut the kit out. And this is how we build kits consistent all the time. So when you buy a kit from us, there's the pattern right there. There's the computer. So that's what it's getting ready to do. The red lines are the kit, and then the holes are for the VIT, and there it's actually working right there. That's where it's at down there on the end. It's a pretty cool machine. This is a new machine for us this year, and it's running absolutely constantly. And it cuts foam, so it does more than just vinyl. can see the little holes right there. And then this table's vacuum. So that's kind of a cool machine. I'm gonna show you another machine that's really cool that I love to watch. Let's see if I can get my camera. God, this camera's hard. So here's one of our prep areas that we prep stuff to final assembly. And this is my favorite machine. What's up, Libby? Check this. I'm just gonna zoom in, just keep going. This is how we make all our buttons. And I love watching this thing, but I'm not good at running it. Yeah, you're fast, Libby. So what does it do? So you put a shell in, you put the shell in, the cap on it, and the upholstery on it. And you're running it with your foot, it's like air operated?
Yes.
And that's how we make. Where do buttons go when they come out?
They go in this little metal.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Oh, so they actually, we didn't even see them. They were shooting through the tube.
Yeah, they go through here and then they come right through
Can you
here.
show me one?
Huh?
Just grab one for me, the button.
Yeah. And then there you go.
So that's the button that actually snaps into the tack that's in your kit. All right. Thank you.
You're
I'm
welcome.
gonna watch a little bit more.
Okay.
I like how it sucks. It sucks
Through.
it right out.
And there you go.
All right, see how it shoots? So it blows it out. You can't even see it so fast. See you later, Libby. All right, here's all her buttons. All right, let me see if I can put my camera back together. Okay, we're back. All right, I got my camera flipped back around. So this is our final assembly area. So everything is, you saw the button, that's a cool machine. We've had that for a little while. We used to do it by hand years ago. Then we started doing hundreds of thousands of buttons a year, so we got that. So that was really cool. Here's another really awesome kit. Let's see if I can make this work. Again, going out, Kenworth kit. Old school, traditional black carpet on the bottom. We still have a lot of Kenworth materials in-house. We are ordering complete runs. You can see on the back wall behind me, those are all runs of special colors. Most of those colors are Kenworth or Peterbilt factory colors because we're doing a lot of factory matching stuff. Typical customer would replace all the upholstery, but we also do just doors and headliners for wrecks and people that just need certain pieces. Here's an old 359 where it's the squares. Man, this camera's having a hard time with it. So we're doing the old squares, the old 359, and we're sewing those in. Traditionally, when those trucks were built back in the 60s and 70s, this was all pressed. It was a press system, so we sew it now because we don't have the press, but I think it looks way better when it's sewn like that. Let me see this door. So there's the door. See if I can get that. I'm gonna get in trouble for unorganized and everything. Here's a door for it. So again, you can put that tool storage on it or it's just carpet. So there's a kit. We're doing a lot of 350. Twin Sticks has helped us with that. They did a lot of upholsteries for us on the install. They really helped with the videos. That was great. Those guys are awesome. Here's a kit that is going out that is really smooth. So this customer is probably doing a truck and didn't want us to sew all the American class in. They might just want to clean the truck up, and this saved them some money. We just did it smooth. These headliner pieces are all finished, and so they're just minimal sewing. We just sew it in where we're going to bend it. And then here's another customer going out with all red, like a burgundy. There's lots of little pieces here that are going out. Okay, I think I covered everything. I wanted to talk about the door. That was the most important thing. And then just show you a little bit of our machinery. I think we get kits out in 4 to 6 weeks. I think it changed all the time. You call us in August, it might be 2 weeks because all the farmers are working. But this time of year, this is January, so we're really busy this time of year. So it takes a little while for us to get stuff out. But give one of the guys and the sales guys a call and let them know what you're working on. They'll help you put a package together that works for your project, man. Thanks for watching my video.